When moving in New York City, you need a mover that is both trustworthy and able to handle the craziness of the city. Not to mention, some companies have hidden fees and last-minute cancellations. At moveBuddha, we know the ins and outs of moving in New York City. In fact, we connect more than 400,000 people with their ideal mover every year. In this video, we'll share with you the best moving companies in New York City. We'll break down the top options for moving within the city, heading to another state, or planning a cross-country relocation, as well as some cheaper options like truck rentals. A. How we picked the winners. To pick these movers, we created our own database from more than 25 sources, including government databases, verified online reviews, industry surveys, and our own Better Moves project. Our database has more than 4,500 moving companies and over 1 million verified reviews. We then narrowed it down to over 130 New York-based movers, focusing on those serving the New York City metro area. We looked at customer feedback from popular review sites like Google and the BBB. We prioritized movers with strong reputations, competitive pricing, and proper New York licensing. Each mover was handpicked by the moveBuddha team for their value and reliability. B. Pricing snapshot. What it costs to move in New York City. If you're staying within 50 miles of New York City, here's what a typical move might cost. A studio move averages $398. For one bedroom, it's around $552. A two-bedroom comes to around $892. Three-bedroom homes move for an average of $2,056, and four-bedroom homes cost roughly $2,358. Large homes with 5 or more bedrooms run around $3,628. Your actual price can change based on distance, crew size, time of year, and any add-on services you need. C. Best movers for local moves in New York City. Let's take a closer look at the highest rated movers if you're staying within the New York City area. At number 1, we have Zip2Zip Moving Inc. with a 4.66 rating and 98% positive reviews. They stand out for efficient crews, courteous service, and quick turnaround. Many customers praise the respectful staff and smooth, damage-free moves. A few reviewers mention higher than expected final costs or damage claims, so it's smart to confirm pricing up front. But overall, they're praised for value, professionalism, and speed. Jumpstart your move and get a free quote directly from Zip2Zip Moving Inc. using our link in the description below. At number 2 is Gentle Giant Moving Company, scoring 4.86 out of 5. With 96% positive feedback, they're known for professional crews, careful handling, and excellent communication. Customers describe problem-free moves and staff who go above and beyond. Some long-distance clients mention delays or higher than expected charges, but overall, this company shines for reliability and meticulous care. Coming in third is Piece of Cake Moving and Storage, also with a 4.86 rating. With nearly 9,000 reviews and 95% positive feedback, they're praised for their friendly staff, stress-free moves, and transparent pricing. Customers appreciate the efficient process and good communication even during last-minute relocations. A few reviews mention surprise charges or missing boxes, so it helps to stay organized and confirm the inventory. Still, they're one of New York City's most popular and well-reviewed movers. Next up is White Glove Moving and Storage, holding a 4.96 rating with 90% positive feedback. They're known for their organized teams, quick execution, and careful item handling. Many customers praise the fast delivery and smooth experience. Some reviewers mention delays with storage or extra fees, so confirm the full scope of service before booking. Overall, they're a premium choice for complex or high-value moves. Rounding out our top 5 is Roadway Moving, also rated 4.86. They receive consistent praise for being fast, careful, and professional. Crews are recognized for protecting furniture, keeping things organized, and handling complex jobs with ease. While some customers report lost items or surprise charges, most say the service is worth it for peace of mind on moving day. By now, you've probably noticed how different movers are when it comes to service, cost, and reliability. And that's exactly why so many people end up overpaying. So before you choose a mover, try moveBuddha's free moving cost calculator. It gives you an instant estimate, no email or personal info required. Just click the link below in the description. Now let's see who we recommend if you're leaving New York for another state. D. Best movers for leaving New York. If you're heading out of New York, our top pick is Safeway Moving. They hold a 4.85 rating and offer flat rate pricing, GPS tracking, and 30 days of free storage. Customers highlight their professionalism, clear estimates, and smooth delivery process. While a few mention minor delays or damage, Safeway earns high marks for reliable, stress-free service. Next is American Van Lines with a 4.5 rating. They specialize in complex, long-distance moves, especially for antiques, pianos, and other high-value items. Their crews are trained in-house and background checked. They also offer climate-controlled storage. Downsides include a 50% deposit and no real-time tracking, but for delicate relocations, they're a trusted option. E. Best moving containers and rental trucks. Want to stay hands-on with your move or stick to a tight budget? These are your best options. For containers, Pods scores a 4.8 rating with nationwide coverage, 3 sizes, and unlimited storage. U-Pack earns a perfect 5.0 for fast delivery and long-distance moves. Moving Yourself has a 4.5 rating, affordable pricing, and includes car shipping. For rental trucks, Budget scores 4.3 for great value and discounts. Penske gets a 4.0 for unlimited mileage and strong reliability. U-Haul rates 4.15 and offers the most truck options and one-way rentals. F. Best labor-only movers in New York City. If you've got your truck or container lined up, these movers can help with the heavy lifting. Our top labor-only picks in New York City are Piece of Cake Moving and Storage, White Glove Moving and Storage, and Roadway Moving. Each company offers loading, unloading, packing support, and furniture assembly. G. NYC-Specific moving tips. Here are a few tips to make your NYC move smoother. Always check that your mover has a valid DOT number and a state license. Look at how they handle complaints, not just reviews. Make sure their experience matches your move type, whether it's local or interstate. Get at least 3 quotes to avoid overpaying. Book early if you're moving between May and September, and always confirm your building's rules for loading zones and elevator access. We just covered NYC's top movers, container and truck options, and tips to help you avoid hidden costs. But timing is everything. You can get a head start on everything with a direct quote from any of these movers, as well as also to see the most up-to-date list of the best NYC movers with our link in the description. We update our data monthly, so the best NYC movers might have changed. In our next video, we're going to show you how to pick the best times to move. We'll walk you through peak versus off-peak seasons, cost-saving strategies, and the key factors most people ignore when setting their move date. You can watch it right here.